Hey everybody, we are here in Fish Creek. We're checking on the store, seeing how things fared through the winter. It's pretty quiet up here. I thought it was quiet last year when we were up here. Different story this year. Checking on the gardens, seeing what we're going to have to bring up here, all the cleaning we're going to have to do. This is what sign we put in our window last year. The plague has hit totally different than the winter plague this time. So we got our clothes sign up. You can see that we have a lot of fall merchandise that needs to get put away. We can make way for our spring merchandise. We don't have any electricity in here right now. Today I put some of our teas out, some of our dried herbs. And it looks pretty good in here, despite seeing critter holes under the store, which we thought for sure there'd be some chipmunks welcoming us back when we got in here. So we came up just to see what's here, what we need to bring up. If you can hear that ruckus in the corner, that is Kevin filling our stones.
Hey everybody! We're up here in Door County. It is awfully quiet, guys, with everything that's going on. It was kind of a weird trip up here. We didn't see many cars. Super peaceful, but a little busy. Should be super busy right now up here. Everybody doing hustle and bustle to get all their stores ready, and there's nobody. So it's pretty different.
Yeah. We saw one of our neighbors, and he spends the winter in Thailand. Yeah. So we weren't sure if he was going to make it here or not in time, and he did. Getting our stones all ready. You can see all of our blank walls. We have lots of stuff we need to bring up. So, yeah. Hey everyone. So, we got to see our Door County store for the first time this year, and you guys got to see it too. So, thanks for watching. Our online store is still open. Aurora'sApothecary.com for all your apothecary needs. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
What do we have here?
So this is the garlic mushroom. It's good to eat right now. Tastes good.
What's it good for?
Tastes like garlic. And greeny. This is herb rabbit. It's a traditional herb. People don't use it a lot these days.
Traditional northern Wisconsin herbs. Oh, medieval herbs, medieval Wisconsin. You see all the growth hospitals everywhere here, guys. This far north, we're a couple weeks behind from where we live down by Green Bay as far as weather is related. So in a couple weeks, it'll be a lot more green up here. Here we are, guys, in the forest, doing some forest bathing, trying to get grounded, find our center. Life has been chaotic recently, so we're out here, enjoy nature. We hiked for about 45 minutes. We're deep in now, guys. Big swamp behind us.
What if the 1909 Wisconsin legislature had not identified this land as most worthy of preservation? This spectacular view, like others in Peninsula State Park, would be accessible to just a few. Instead, you can look northwest and see the chain of Strawberry Islands skip across the Green Bay waters. You can set your eyes on Chambers Island and imagine the passing of a dugout canoe and later steamships. You can see the sister cities of Marinette, Wisconsin and Menominee, Michigan, 14 miles across Green Bay.